Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Ziggy Doughnut Cake at home. Begin by preheating the oven to 350 degrees F and prepping 2 bowls for batters, 1 plain and 1 chocolate. Measure ingredients precisely, use 2 cups flour and 1 cup sugar, and mix until just combined to keep the cake tender. Prepare a donut pan, grease thoroughly, and have piping bags ready for alternating batter layers to create the Ziggy effect. In this video, I will show how to make Ziggy Doughnut Cake at home. Start by creaming 1 stick butter with 1 cup sugar until light, then add 2 eggs one at a time and 1 tsp vanilla. Split batter evenly and stir 1/3 cup cocoa into 1 bowl to create the chocolate component, keeping both batters similar in thickness. Transfer each batter into separate piping bags for controlled layering into the donut wells. In this video, I will show how to make Ziggy Doughnut Cake at home. Pipe a small spoonful of vanilla batter, then chocolate, and repeat to build a striped Ziggy pattern in each donut well. Tap the pan gently to release air bubbles and bake at 350 degrees F for roughly 12 to 15 minutes until set. Allow the cakes to cool in the pan for 5 minutes, then invert onto a rack to cool completely before glazing or decorating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.